How to play Palworld on PS4 or PS5. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's video, I'll be addressing your inquiries regarding playing Palworld on the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Given that Palworld was recently launched for Xbox consoles and PC Game Pass, PlayStation players have been wondering if there is any way to play it on their systems. Upon searching the PlayStation Store, whether through the website or directly through the console, we find no results for the Palworld. As of today, there is no workaround, and unfortunately, the game is not available on PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5. The only current options are Xbox consoles and PC through Steam or Game Pass. While there is no indication that the game won't be distributed to PlayStation players in the future, it remains impossible to play Palworld on PlayStation console. This video aims to inform rather than spread misinformation, and we can only hope for a potential release for the PlayStation players in the future. If this information has been helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.